Hi there, I'm Myron Von Rayfield with Keller Williams Bay Area Estates.
And I'm Trisha Motter with E3 Realty.
And Trisha and I are proud and excited to bring you this beautiful home that we have listed at 471 Coakley Drive, San Jose.
Nestled in the Cypress Manor subdivision in the Campbell area of San Jose. So let's take a look.
The front yard is freshly landscaped with low maintenance and great appeal. Upon entry, you will be greeted by the welcoming living room that features a traditional wood-burning fireplace. The kitchen provides recessed lighting and ample space with additional countertop extension. Directly connected to the dining room with large windows to provide an abundance of natural light. The ample-sized backyard is well appreciated to enjoy entertaining with loved ones, all with low maintenance and a covered patio to enjoy.
Through the hallway, the bathroom provides a modern vanity and walk-in tub with a handheld shower wand for the ultimate bathing experience. The spacious bedrooms provide ample light, roomy closets, continued hardwood flooring, and dual-pane windows. Centrally located between Prune Yard and the well-known Santana Row for fine dining, shops, and so much more. With easy access to major tech companies like Apple, come see what makes this home and community so special. Trisha and I would like to thank you for taking the time to view this beautiful home with us. And as always, if you have any questions or would like to contact either of us, please feel free to use the numbers below.
And to virtually explore this property at any time via 3D and 2D floor plans and so much more, visit the property website at 471coakley.com. Thank you so much, and we look forward to connecting with you soon.